Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Jeep TJ transmission fluid. First, gather your essential tools, including a drain pan, a wrench set, and the correct type of new transmission fluid. Always ensure your Jeep is on a level surface and the engine has cooled down to prevent burns. Double-check your owner's manual for the precise fluid specifications and the exact amount needed for your specific model. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient process. Now, let's drain the old fluid. Carefully slide under your Jeep and locate the transmission drain plug. It's usually on the bottom of the transmission pan. Place your drain pan directly underneath to catch all the fluid. Using the correct wrench, slowly loosen and remove the drain plug. Allow ample time for all the old, dirty transmission fluid to completely empty into the pan. This step is crucial for a thorough fluid change. With the old fluid drained, it's time to refill. First, clean the drain plug and reinstall it securely, ensuring no leaks. Next, locate the transmission fill plug, which might be a separate plug or accessed via the dipstick tube. Using a funnel, slowly pour in the new, clean transmission fluid according to your owner's manual's specified capacity. Avoid overfilling, as this can cause issues. Take your time to ensure accuracy. For the final steps, start your Jeep's engine and carefully shift through all the gears, pausing briefly in each. This circulates the new fluid throughout the transmission. Then, recheck the fluid level using the dipstick, adding small amounts if it's below the full mark. Ensure there are no leaks around the drain plug. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals to keep your ride fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.